Welcome to Billy's Happy World. Hello everyone. This is Thomas and Friends. We have two little pens, a car that looks cool, a green car, and Tom, two Thomases. Oh, a Lego fell out.
Okay.
Oh, this is the item. Look, something's missing. Cantaloupe. Penguin.
Yeah.
Percy. That is green. Continent. Look. A double look.
Wow. Two looks.
Two little then two Thomas and two Luke. Emily. Squawk. Dirty. And hello the helicopter. Let's have a race. Oh no! The diesel can. Let's try the diesel can first. Or let's get it go. Go. Oh no, not fast. Wow, it's not fast. I think. That's why it's not fast. Let's try our other diesel can. Or Max gets it. Wow.
Ooh. Faster.
Then look the car. Let's try the car next. Where is that go? Wow! This is super fast. Let's try the car next. Wow! Somebody jumped. Oh! Thomas! Go, Thomas! Wow! Not super fast. Let's try the original Thomas. Where is Daddy? Go!
Fast.
Fast. 看着那是流线的。
Streamline.
Yes. 哇！哇！还蛮快的哈。再试一下 Henry big engine one super slow. Catalina is super slow. Wow! This guy Henry is super fast. Diesel and no. Let's try Percy's small engine. Let's go walk. Let's go. Oh my goodness, walk. Just slide. Percy just slide.
Slowest.
And go. Look. Let's go. It fell. I'm not scared. So much falling. Whoa. He launched up. Not another look. Look. Let's go. Wow. It crashed. Wow! That's my name. Oh, wow.
you make it fly?
Fly, fly.
Yeah. Oh no! Okay, blah blah blah.
Oh, Harold.
Look. Let's try the vehicles.
Okay, 我去帮你那个字。
Okay, let's. What's that? Not fast. Let's try the